Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing two things. I'll do a recap on the analysis we had last week. I'll also do a breakdown of this week. So, last week we had the inauguration of the US President Donald Trump. Market not a bit crazy, but let's get to the charts and recap on those trades and do a breakdown of this week. We will start with the pair, the Euro USD. If you look at my previous analysis, I established from the daily and weekly then price was in a downtrend, but price at this area here, this was the negative 1.8 area, which is my take profit 2. So price for the month of January has already hit take profit 2. So price was kind of reversing from that area. Price was right about here when I made that analysis, and because I was looking to buy the pair Euro USD, I said the only time I'm interested in that buy was when price comes back to this area to reject and give me like a bullish pattern of price to break this previous low high and give me a retest. So this is what happened exactly. Price broke this previous low high here, break it and retested this area. So this is other shoulder, this is a head, this is other shoulder. So your entry is going to be here on the retest. Let's go to H1 to see where you could have exactly took that entry on H1. So the weekly closed here, as you can see. So for the week open, on the market open, price near this high. This was our high point, and this was our low point. Let me get back to the weekly. Let me get to the weekly and see something. The price was sitting at this area when the weekly was sitting at this area of 50. We just saw the shoulder price. It gave us the star bottom. So not only are we looking for a retest of this low high, but we're also looking for price to make a higher low. So let's get back to the H1 and see where we could have entered the market. As I already said, price made a higher low right here and a higher high. So price closed in a higher high. When price closes in a higher high, I draw my fib from this lower point. From this lower point to the higher point, and the entry could have been here on the 50. There's a retest of the 50 moving average, the retest of 50 level, fib level. It's also a retest of the demand area right here. It's also a retest of the previous low. So there are a couple of conferences. This is why you could have entered your buy for the week. Price wins to take profit 2. So that's where your buy curve you take and handle it straight for the whole week. So now let's get to the analysis for this week, or for this coming week. We already established from the weekly that prices and on trends. The daily price is in a retracement from that downtrend price. It's a retracement over here. This is a retracement for here. Price maybe high, low, high, low. So price in retracement. You can see this the left shoulder, there's the head, and there's the right shoulder. And if you go to the weekly, this is where we anticipate for price to reverse trend. We anticipate for price to come to this area of 30.2, which will also be a double top. So I anticipate for price to reverse to this area of 30.2 on the weekly time frame. So we already established that reversal on the daily. So let's go to H4 to look for those buys on H4. So price closed here in a higher point. Price went from this lower point right here. Price went from this lower point here and closed in a higher point right here. Price also made this bullish. There's a bullish continuation. There's a down bottom. So what I want to say from the H4 time frame is for price to come back to this area, the monthly line, give me a retest, and the price shoots to negative 6.8. Not to 6.8, but market shoots to this area negative 27.0, which is our daily negative 30.2. This is our daily negative 38. This is our daily negative 38.2 feet level. This is our daily negative 38.2 level. This is where we anticipate for price to push up to, based on the weekly, on the H4 chart frame, which represents the week. So that's what I wanna see from this coming week, for price to come and retest this double bottom. Continuation of a buy. So let's go to H1, because my entries are based on H1 as a structure. On H4 I go to H1 to look for my entries. I go to H1 to look for my entries. Remember, on the weekly, this is the area where I'm looking to buy your USD. That's an long retest. So when you go to H1 to look for my entries, this is what I want to see. From a few level from the low points to a half on the cost price, opening a low and closed in a high. This is a high. This is a high. This is a high low. And price closed in a high. my expectation for price to make a higher low. It's any of this fib level, but because from H4 FX level just price, that continuation bullish pattern or just a double bottom. I want to see a retest here, this neckline, preferably with another bullish pattern, and it looks like price is making this double bottom. So this is an area where I would like to see rejection, because the 50 level is also in a hesitation area. So this will be also a retest of that neckline. So this is where I like to enter my buy for the Eurusd and take profits. Right here, the previous H4 take profit one. So this is my analysis for the Eurusd. I'm looking to buy the pair right here and this rejection. I really want to see this double bottom in order to check that buy. So let's move on with our analysis, and we get the Nasdaq. Let's look at Nasdaq. I'm gonna go to H4. Remember from my previous analysis, Nasdaq was right here. This was last week, and this is what I was looking for. I was looking for Nasdaq to drop to this area to give me the bottom to shoot up, but that did not happen. Price I made that's the bottom right here and shoots up. So let's go to the small time frame H1 to see how we could have capitalized from this small move. Nasdaq, let's go to H1. See, the market was over here, and I was looking for price to drop here to give me that double bottom for price to push up. So that did not happen. When the market opened, price pushed up. It's broke this area, which was previous higher high. We broke it, make a higher high. So price made a higher low over here and a higher high right here. So how could have benefited from this next day? And this I could have benefited because I already seen the price did not drop to make that high low at an area where I anticipated a lot of price made a high high. So I'll draw my fib from this long point right here. This low point right here to this high point right here. I wasn't looking for sales on this pair, so this is where you could have go to entry. Tried them from this was a high low to a high high, and price dropped and kind of broke this, rather than price pushed up again and came back and rejected the area of 61.8 and 78.6. So this is also inverse level, inverse head and shoulder. This is where your entry is supposed to be for the week. This is where your entry was supposed to be for the week, because we are looking for price to continue this bullish movement. So price made this bullish pattern in this head and shoulder for price to continue going bullish. So this is where you could have entered prepare NASDAQ for the week. So let's get to this this coming week analysis. We have already established from the weekly that we are bullish. We are bullish. This is a bullish pattern right here. There's a double bottom, a bullish pattern. There's a bullish engulfing. We are bullish from the week time frame. The daily time frame, it is also bullish. Price give us this double bottom again. Price give us this divergence over here. You see ADX it's above the 25, so it is bullish. Let's go to H4. Price made a higher high right here and a higher low right here, and price closed in a higher high right here, and price also made this double top in an area of resistance. This is the resistance side to show that price is reversing, but I don't see price reversing all the way down here now, because we're already in a bullish structure. This is where I see price reversing to. I love to see price give me this double bottom of this area. This is my first scenario. Second scenario for price to drop further and give me another double bottom right here. So these are the two scenarios that will prompt me to get into this NASDAQ buy. So I would like to see these two scenarios play out for me to get to the buy. Price can just, from this point, price can just push up to the chest and come to this point, which is the daily high. So these are the two scenarios that I'm looking for price to make that bottom, pushing it up to drop further to this area of supply here, which is the 78.6, taking me another bullish pattern down bottom to move the market around. Because if you see right here, this is a double bottom and price made another double top, and for price to come and make this double top, this will be the pattern which should be printed. This will be the neckline. So this is one of the double bottom variation that I love trading, or the market usually prints out. Because the market does not just print perfect patterns. In most cases, most scenarios, these patterns they look ugly. So these are two scenarios that I love to see for the pair of NASDAQ. Now let's get to the pair of US30. Let's go to H4 and do a recap from last week analysis. Market was right here, and I wanted for price to come back to this area to continue this bullish run, but price did not come to this area. Price just made this double bottom between the 0 and the 23.6. This is where price given this market structure, and really for the pair of USDT there was no setup, there was no entry for me. If we go to a small time frame like H1, there was no really a setup for me. There was no really setup for me for the pair USDT. So this is the pair that from this week, there was no setup for me. So let's do an analysis for USDT for this week. Weekly still bearish, it's still bullish. I mean, you see this pattern that I've talked about so many times. This is a double bottom, bullish engulfing. So we are bullish as hell. Even we go to the daily time frame, it's still bullish. Weekly time frame. Now that's where it gets interesting. Price closed here and a higher low. Price open here and a higher low, and closed here and a higher high. So I will be drawing my field level from this low point to this high point. So we expecting the pair of USDT, because this was a higher low, and this was a high. This was a high. Price closed in a high. We expect the pair USDT to close, or to open, or to make a higher low this week. So we expecting a higher low to form at any of these field levels. We expect the pair of USDT to form at any of those field levels. So this is what I would like to see USDT. I would love to see USDT coming down to this area here, because I would love to see a neckline retest at the 61.8 or the 50 level of this double bottom. I would like to see a neckline retest at this level for the pair of USDT to enter my buys. So that's all for the instrument USDT. And the last pair that we are going to analyze is going to be gold. Gold from the H4 time frames, it's one of the pairs that really played it. Remember when you analyzed last week? Market was right here. Price we anticipated for price to come to this area between the 50 or the 61.83 levels. Price came back and touched the 50, which was the previous high low, and has just pushed up to take profit too. So gold played out, the analysis played out perfectly. So let's look at H1 to see where you could have gotten this entry. Price made this large shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder. So this is a continuation pattern. This head and shoulder, it's a continuation pattern. It's a bullish pattern. This is where your entry, the first entry was gonna be, and the second entry was price closed here in a high. I draw my feet from my low point to a high point. You can see this is the rejection at the 50 level. Price closed in a high, and the market opened the next day. Price pushed to take profit 2, and price pulled back. Price pulled back to retest the neckline. I love neckline retest so much, and price continued to push up. So these are the two entries we could have got on the pair gold for this week. Now let's get to the coming week analysis. As usual, we start analysis from the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, you can see that gold is still bullish. This is the continuation pattern. This is our bottom. Price already broken this. The neckline price is sitting as this area of resistance right here. So what I would like to see is short price to drop or retest the neckline and continue bullish. So this is the analysis from the weekly. Let's go down to the daily. This is the neckline that we saw on the weekly time frame. So I want to see price to drop to this level to continue that bull run. This is what I would love to see on gold, because you can see that price is in an uptrend. There's a low, high, high, low, high, high, low, high, low, high, high. So price already closed the week in a high point right there. Price closed the week in a high point. So I will be drawing my feet from a lower point here to the higher point here. This is remember this is the neckline on the week. So this is what I would love to see the pair gold do, coming back or coming down to this area right here. I would love to see, because this is an option. This is high, low. High. It's just a minor of this. Just it is a minor high low in each one. But this is the main high, and this is the main high low. So I'll have to see price come back to this area right here, readjust and push up. So guys, that was my recap on the pairs that I analyzed last week, and I did also an analysis for this coming week. If you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next video. Bye.